we are hanging with the strongest guy in the world. That's how we start on Monday. Powerfully.
That's right.
A Monday morning with Reino Nel, just back from the US where he was crowned strongest man. It's a big strongman competition. And it's a first win for South African. Very first win for a South African in that competition. We're so proud of you. Must be an interesting bunch of guys to be hanging out with.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a paar groot manne. So it's the kind of guys you want to go out with.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
You'll feel safe. You'll
And
feel
then
safe.
you start nonsense because you're surrounded by.
Maar jy's groot ouens wat deelneem aan die storie, hè? Ek het gedink jy kan, I mean sekerlik, I'm looking at you. Hoeveel weeg jy? 148?
Ja, so 148.
So dis verskriklik. And he's not a short guy either, so it's imposing. Okay, en jy sê daar's ouens groter as jy.
Ja, voorbeeld, die ou wat tweede gekom het, Tom Stoltman, hy het al 3 keer World Strongest Man gewen. Dis 'n ou wat 185 kg weeg, 207. Dis massiewe ouens.
What?
Like, seriously,
That's ridiculous.
that is enormous.
So
That's huge.
So jy's Reino die Kleino.
Nee.
His face.
There's only a microphone between us.
Luister, so jy's oorspronklik daar in Noord-Kaap, Vrystaat gespeel, jy bly nou in Gauteng. Wat dink jy van die Vodacom Bulle? Like julle?
Ja, wat ek nou hierbo bly en met die feit dat die Vrystaat nie meer URC speel nie, het my hart nou maar oorgegaan en deesdae is die Bulle maar my span.
Ja, jy brein se kry. Nee, ek dink. No, it's a segue to the fact that he's also quite an educated man. Het ek reg gelees het jy jou meestersgraad in?
Nee, so meesters besig mee, maar ek is elektriese ingenieur.
Electrician.
Wow.
Electrical engineer. My gosh, en jy is getroud, just for all the women thinking, this guy is strong, he's got brains.
Ja, ek het 'n pragtige vrou.
Hey, dit is amazing. So ek wil nou die rede kom ek vir jou nou vra oor die Vodacom Bulle is ons dis 'n groot Vodacom Bull fan show. I mean I'm probably one of the more vocal people over the years on radio backing the Vodacom Bulls. So we've first we had a deck, which was definitely going to be too small for you because we had a weight restriction. But then we decided no more deck. We want the whole corner, the whole of Castle Corner. So now we're calling it the Marty McParty Charge Party.
Yes.
And I'm thinking, who better in this country to lead the charge, the title, with the Vodacom Bulls than this oak? Reino Nel. Is jy besig Saterdag of wil jy kom kuier?
Nee, definitief. En Bulls definitief wil ondersteun aan die quarter.
Hey.
Lekker. I'm also thinking if Reino is fine with it, obviously, I reckon he should come out at the start of the game somehow. Like take the ball and then puncture it or something. No, I do that. But kind of bring the match ball up in some really cool kind of way.
I love the way you do this. So Martin did this when we launched the Marty McParty Charge Party. He just called at the Bulls and put them on the spot. He's basically putting you on the spot right now as well and going like, now that we've got this platform and we're on air, you can't say no.
I cannot say no.
I'll definitely do it. Ek dink ek gaan net nie die bal skop nie. Ek was nie 'n fly off nie en dit kan dalk oor die bal gaan. Ons kan dink aan 'n interessante manier wat ek kan iets met my krag doen om die bal daar te kry. Dit kan interessant wees.
Who's the heaviest Bulls player at the moment?
Seker Wilco Lou definitief.
Ja, Wilco.
Ja, dra hom op. So be jy nie. Come on, I can picture it.
Ek sal hom dra, maar ek sal hom nie skram nie.
Ja. He's a beast.
Yes, hy is dit. Nee, luister hierdie Saterdag natuurlik Vodacom Bulle in die Edinburgh span. It's a quarter final. We need this game because we want a semi-final and then hopefully onto a final as well. Reino Nel just been crowned in the US at the competition as the world's strongest guy and a first for our continent, I think it is. So some of the routines or disciplines, so wat toets julle op? Jy het gepraat van deadlift byvoorbeeld, né?
Ja.
That's where you pick something up from the floor and then straighten up. Where's your best that you've done at this competition?
Met deadlift.
Ja.
So ons het 'n 18 inch gehad. So dit is hy's bietjie hoër as 'n gewone deadlift in jou been, wat dit 'n klein bietjie makliker maak. Ek het 490 kg gedoen op hom.
Soms half a ton.
Ja.
En dan moet jy ook daai daai ronde concrete balle optel.
Ja.
Ja, so dit is hoe dit altyd eindig met 'n World Strongest Man. So die ikoniese einde wat almal nou die concrete balle oplaai.
Ja.
Oh, that must be hard, man.
Kijk.
I mean, that's where fitness counts.
Veral want dit is dag 4, dis die 10de event wat jy doen. So baie interessante einde vir my gewees. Ek was 'n 2,5 punt voorsprong in daai event toe ons ingaan en ek moes 'n 3de plek behaal om die titel te kry. En ek het 3de plek gekry met minder as 'n sekond.
Wow.
Ja.
Liewe Vader.
So ek het die kompetisie gewen met so klein breekdeel van 'n sekond.
That is amazing. What's the downside of all of this? Apart from a lot of hours of training.
Om in 'n vliegtuig te sit vir 16 ure met hierdie lyf.
My friend, I was going to say the middle seat is not for you. No. The middle seat is not made for men, period. Generally.
Yeah.
So, jy moet sekerlik 'n bietjie upgrade.
Ja. Nee, ek sit gelukkig gewoonlik langs my vrou, so ek vat meeste van haar spasie in op haar seat.
Imagine, it's like your worst nightmare. You get on the plane, you look at your ticket, and you see this big old sitting, and you're like, oh, please.
Ek kyk altyd, dis my regtig 'n speletjie, as ek moet van Johannesburg af Kaap toe vlieg, ek meen, daar is die groter seats nie, dit is wat dit is. En ek hou daarvan om laaste op 'n vliegtuig te klim, want ek wil korter sit op die seat. En as ek afstap in daai gangetjie en ek sien hoe die mense met benoude oë vir my kyk.
Please no.
Ek het 'n vraag. Wat is die dieet vir die wêreld se sterkste man?
Ja, dis 'n goeie vraag. So, my kompetisie het altyd hierdie YouTube video's wat viral gaan met 12,000, 13,000 kalorieë. Maar ek doen dit nie so nie. Ek probeer dit anders doen. Ek hou 'n gesonde dieet. Baie steak, baie pasta. Ek is baie geseënd om USN te hê aan my kant ook. So ek het kwaliteit supplements. So ek probeer dit baie skoon hou, maar ek eet 6,000 kalorieë wat dis omtrent 'n dag. Dis omtrent 4 keer wat 'n gewone man moet eet, bietjie minder as 4 keer.
Well, ons moet eet, maar party van ons. Guys, so from now I'm just going to say I'm training for the world's strongest man.
Training for months.
Yeah, 6,000 calorieë. If you had to do that into kilojoules, that's an enormous amount.
Yeah.
So, you know, when you can look on the menus, they always have that ridiculous, like the 1.2 kilogram steak vibes.
Yes.
You think to yourself, who eats that?
Now we know.
Now we know. Yeah. A guy like, can you vrou kos maak?
Fantasties. Sy het ook maar geleer, dit was in die begin maar ek moes maar gemaak het of dit lekker is, maar nou is dit eintlik al lekker.
Shots fired.
Monia, I got you, don't worry.
Yeah, he's all brave now. Wait till Monia comes into the studio. He's going to be like, ek het net getel.
Ja, hierdie hele pad huis toe gaan ek vir haar net om verskoning vra.
It's actually literally the only person he's afraid of.
Yeah, it's his wife. Yeah. Monia, thumbs up or thumbs down? Kan Reino braai? Oh, thumbs up.
Okay.
Lekker, so oorspronklik van I mean, jy het roots daar.
Ja, kyk, ons mense, dis maar wat is, dis Appington. Dis waar Reino van gewoonlik is, waar hy gebore is, en nou bly in Kreersdorp, so ek bedoel, it's the Appington West Rand link here. That's where the good people come from.
Die N14.
Ja.
Mense van die N14. All right, let's get your questions on 084 850 0942. Just tuning in. Reino Nel, just being crowned world's strongest man in the US. From right here in Gauteng now. Kreersdorp, Wesrand.
En maak seker dat ons kry nou maar daai bietjie beter kwaliteit kos.
Dink jy moet deur een of ander boer gesponsor word?
Ja.
Like some farm, somewhere met these two. Wat is die wêreldrekord dan?
Op die oomblik, die groot kontroversie is dit 501 of 500 tussen Eddie Hall en Hathor. Daai 490 is teen 'n bietjie hoër van die grond af. So, dis nou nie 100% dieselfde deadlift nie, maar oor so 2 jaar wil ek dit doen. Dit is maar iets wat sal kom met tyd, daai statiese krag om dit te kan doen, maar tot op hede verbeter ek die hele tyd. So ek wil eerder fokus om kompetisies te wen as om rekords te jaag, veral nou in die begin van my loopbaan.
Yes,
So om te gaan vir 'n wêreldrekord in 'n deadlift moet jy tussen 6 maande en 'n jaar net aan dit spandeer. So almal wat al gegaan het vir dit, neem nie deel nie, dit is alwaarop hulle fokus. Ek is nie daar dat ek dit nou wil doen nie. Dalk oor so 2 of 3 jaar sal ek baie graag dit wil doen.
Yeah, that's what blows my mind. Jy's nog steeds neat and strong, man.
Correct.
Like, you're gonna get better.
Korrek. En elke keer wat ek vir 'n kompetisie voorberei, ek sou nou nie sê elke keer is dit myle wat ek verbeter nie, maar my nommers gaan op steeds die hele tyd. En dit hou my baie positief vorentoe, dat ek weet ek kan nog verbeter.
And when it comes to bench press in the gym, dis ook maar, you know, the guys like, you know, wat bench jy?
Ja, dis 'n vraag wat ek baie kry, wat bench jy?
Wat bench jy?
So strongman bench ons nie, toevallig of snaaks genoeg. Maar ek het nou 'n kompetisie wat opkom, Strongest Man on Earth. Dis 'n kompetisie wat nou so 3 jaar oud is en daar het ons 'n chest press. So is baie esteties, baie mooi dat jy stoot hom voor jou bors uit en dan val daar 'n tweede kick in en dan stoot jy weer uit. En dit is baie naby aan 'n bench press. So vandat ek begin met sterk man, het ek nog nie weer swaar bench geoefen nie, maar nou gaan ek weer moet begin. Ek oefen nog bench in my oefenprogram met 6 of 8 reps, want jy het nog steeds jou bors moet nog steeds sterk wees om 'n Atlas stone te squeeze, of ek meen die spiere wat jy gebruik, dalk nou nie direk soos 'n bench press nie, maar in ander bewegings. So
what is that one that you do like
a
this?
Bicep curl.
That's hard.
Ja, maar bicep curl is maar meer vir estetiese doeleindes.
That's for the beach.
Okay, so the world's strongest man is telling you, Oaks,
Yeah.
stop bragging about the bench, boys. It doesn't matter. It's not going to make you. It's not going to make you a strong guy. Dink, I mean, we've said this many times before, and it's a true story. You look at us. You look at the way we play rugby.
Yeah.
You look at our physical sports in this country. We've got strong men. Is it because what is it?
The water.
It's I think, is he faster?
Oh, yeah.
We are now stronger.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, what more can you ask for?
No, but I mean, what is this young oak now that's running so hard?
Bayanda Walaza, breaking the junior champs 100-meter record again, second time in a couple of months.
You can't help but thinking. I know it's, once again, you can't compare. But you can't help but thinking, if you had to put a guy who's got this kind of strength, and you can tell by his arms, he's a big man.
Yes.
He's proven to be strong. What will happen if you, let's say you're like out and about and whatever, and a guy like Driekus
What is happening here? Okay, and then...
says to you, hey, Reino Kleino. I mean, sorry, jy's seker sterker as hy, maar hy's vinnig en wada.
Ja,
do you ever think, ek het 'n rugby gespeel, the strongest man, what's next?
Ek het nou eers begin met strongman, so op 3 kusse noot, ek dink ek sal beter kans staan om hom weg te hardloop as om hom te wen in 'n fight.
I have a feeling though, if Reino got Driekus in a bear hug,
Yeah.
I don't know if Driekus would get out. If you just got him in a bear hug and just held him,
No.
I don't know if he'd get out.
I think we should try it.
Yes, me too.
Dames en heren, Driekus du Plessis nou. Listen,
I just got an image of in my mind of Reino Driekus and Eben.
yeah. Yeah, but he can do what they can't do. He can deadlift both of them. Listen, coming up, just getting back to the Vodacom Bulls idea for this Saturday. Ons is nou daarmee terug. Enige ander vrae vir Reino Nel, just crowned world's strongest man in the world right here in our studio this morning in Midrand.
Breakfast with Martin Bester.